social media manager checking in. It's MEAC time. So I'll do a little vlogging of our day, transportation, and obviously us packing the bus. So stay tuned. Where we at?
Denny's.
Yep.
And in Virginia. The hotel is somewhere near here. Just Metro looked it up. He said after we eat, we might just go straight to the game and not even stop at the hotel. Kind of crazy, but I don't know when we have to check in, so probably makes sense.